Hi, Zach Pater here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota. Very nice boat to take you through today. This is an absolutely loaded Rinker 270. Handful of things on this boat. Notice on the outside you got the pure white gel. It is all bottom painted. Full camper enclosure. This one does have the optional arch. See the TV antenna up there. You also have your VHF antenna and your light up on the top. Towards the front of the boat, we'll look at it closer, but you'll notice you got the spotlight up there. You also have windlass, and then this boat does have its shore choice. So you actually have shore plug in here, right on the side of the boat. And then you also have your shore power on the other side of the boat that we're plugged into right now. Take a look around the back of the boat. You got a huge swim platform. This one does come with the barbecue grill. Transom shower right on the back. You also have a nice stainless steel boarding ladder that's covered. There's a transom trunk. You got nice stainless steel grab bars, pop out cleats on the swim platform, and you'll notice right now we have got the generator running. This boat does have the 5K Kohler gen along with air conditioning. You can see the water coming out the side of the boat. Absolutely a loaded package. So let's take a closer look on the inside. Alright, I just shut the generator off so you can hear me a little better. A few nice things on the Rinker 270. A nice big walk-through transom. You walk inside and it is very big. It's very open. Nice lay-down carpeting, and it's all one level. The easy walk-through to get right into the cabin is great. The amount of cockpit seating in this boat is phenomenal. You got a nice big bench across the back. This does have a table and can be filled in. We'll look at that here in just a little bit. A ton of cup holders. You got cup holders on the sides, cup holders up above. This boat does have, right when you walk in, the wet bar with the cooler, garbage, your sink, nice stainless grab rail. Huge L-shaped lounge seating. There is storage under the one side here. Beautiful canvas enclosure. And it does have a screen on the back, and you can see it's all vinyl backed on the bimini top, so it's nice and easy to keep clean. Work our way forward here, and you've got the captain's seat with a flip up bolster, your windlass anchor controls, good looking helm with the LOWRANCE. You also have Lenco trim tabs with the LED indicator lights, your VHF radio, tilt wheel, good looking array of gauges. There is storage underneath the wheel, and this boat is yacht certified. To work your way up onto the bow of the boat, you've got two side steps just to the left of the helm. Nice big flat bow section on this. Makes it great for if you're up there going through a lock or going to the beach. And it's all nice non-skid. You even see they've got little removable cup holders up front as well. Alright, so let's take a walk down inside the cabin. It is very roomy. You can really start to feel that 9-foot beam. It has just got a lot of interior space. The forward area here, we'll show you in a minute, does have a table. It can also be filled in to make a large berth. The galley here has stainless sink, Corian countertops, flush mounted storage cabinetry, your refrigerator, microwave up above, and a full vinyl headliner, air conditioning down here. Just a really nice setup. As I mentioned before, you got a table that can be inserted. It is nice, it's big, really gives you a great spot to sit around and eat or play games. Also, your air conditioning controls are right where you walk in, along with the TV, and it's got an updated Bluetooth stereo. I also like the Corian edging that they do throughout the boat, and again, that nice flush mount cabinetry. Then to make this into a berth, just simply put the filler cushion in over top of the table, and you have a nice big area. There's no way in video I'm going to be able to really express the size of this, but it is a massive area. And if you're looking for additional sleeping, take a look at the mid cabin. Even the way you enter it is just nice and big and open. As we enter the mid cabin, you'll see our main power panel is there, storage. storage in the back rest for the head area of the mid cabin. But this is a phenomenal mid cabin. It is just nice and big. I also see they got a beach ladder back there that's going to be going with the boat as well. But a very, very nice mid cabin in a 27-foot boat. And of course we can't leave the cabin without talking about the head compartment. Rinker does a great job. It's fully fiberglass lined with Corian accents, stainless steel sink, 110 outlet, all fiberglass floors. You've got a stainless towel bar on the one side, you've got a mirror on the other side, beautiful lighting. Just for again, for a 27-foot boat, just a very sharp looking head compartment. We're going to work our way back out to the cockpit, show you a few things that I forgot about out here that I think are kind of important. One is the cockpit table. It's nice, it's handy, it really gives you that little bit of extra ability to kind of set things back here, so that's a nice little feature. Also, I wanted to show you the filler cushions. Simply slide them in, and you have a huge sun island in the back of this boat. It is phenomenal if you like to lay out. Also could potentially be another sleeping area for guests that come with you. So before I leave you here, one area I usually don't hit on video is motor compartments. This one I'm gonna at least give you a quick run around, simply because a brand new, and I mean brand new, 350 meg MPI. The motor was just replaced, and it's got about 2 hours on it. The boat has a total of about 849 if I remember right. I'd have to double check, but the engine, this motor has literally 2 hours on it the day I'm doing this video here. While we're down here, I can try to show you here as well the generator. And the generator, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was right around 67 hours. It's very, very low. So generator and motor have just very few hours on them. So that's a really nice feature here on this 270. All right, so that's going to wrap up our quick video walk around of this 270. A boat that I'm confident, if you want something that has air heat generator, low hours, let's just call it a new motor, full canvas enclosure, the barbecue grill, the cockpit table, the cockpit filler cushions, nice big interior, and just generally a good looking boat that's aggressively priced, this is a boat that should not disappoint. Again, I am Zach Pater here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota, and I appreciate you taking a few minutes to view our video on this 270 Rinker.